You know what it is? Hey Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant and girl. Today we finally got our haul in for the Moana products that launched and Wally. So excited. So we're gonna come and share that today. First up, we got Pua, which this is my Pua. So I've already had this. This has been since the first launch. But you guys, we got Hei-Hei, and both of your buddies come with scent pack. So if you order Hei-Hei, you're going to get the Hei-Hei buddy scent pack. You will get the Pua scent pack with Pua, and they are both the spirit of Montanui, which is like watermelon, definitely for sure. It's very watermelon heavy, fresh watermelon. I think pineapple and some kind of like flowery lei that is like for the islands. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna show them both to you, girl. We can't break no nails here. We'll get them both out at the same time because they're two pairs. You got it. I was so upset when they did Pua and they did not bring out Hei-Hei because I was like, you can't have just one, it's both. So here's Pua, and here is Hei-Hei. You guys, they are two of a kind. This guy is so crazy. This guy is just so cute. I love Moana. Moana is one of my favorite movies, one of our favorite family movies. So I had to have both. Once I get like my Scentsy room here done, Pua, Hei-Hei, they're going to be up. They are, look at this guy's crazy, guys. Two birds of a feather. Super cute, super soft. Love them. Don't forget, you guys do get the scent packs. So it smells really, really good. Moana has been one of my all-time favorite scents. She's been in my club, even though right now she doesn't have the little always get my bar perk. In my club, she's staying there. She's not going anywhere. It's one of my favorite scents. But the showstopper of this haul is Wally. I have been waiting for this. Oh my God, look at the packaging, you guys. And you guys know I love my warmers. I love my warmers. And I broke Dumbo. If you guys saw on my shorts that I put here on YouTube, my lid broke. I was literally changing the wax. I thought I put the lid back on the warmer, which it did, but then like it slid off. So I don't know, I just obviously didn't put it fully on the warmer. So it slid off, it broke. I cried. Out of all the warmers to break, why did I have to break the Dumbo warmer? And at least it's the lid, and the lid is still, it's replaceable. So at least it's replaceable. But you guys, we also, with the bundle, you get the classified Wally bar. So we're gonna go over scent notes. I was ready and I had scent notes. So let's talk about the scent first. So this is Disney's and Pixar's Wally classified Scentsy bar. Like a seedling reaching for the sun, this earth-inspired blend of crisp apple, watery cucumber, and dewy greens will have you celebrating the power of new life. And I got to smell this at SFR in one of the sniff booths. That's what I just decided to call them, sniff booths. And strong green apple. Up my alley, and it is green, so you will have those dewy greens. Sea salt and avocado. If you like the cucumber cactus water, this is up there, but it's green with apple. So think green like sea salt and avocado with apple, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This was a powerhouse in the sniff booth, so I'm hopefully when I do like an empties video or something that's coming up, I will have a warm review for that, because that's definitely getting warmed. And so just so you guys know, this was like a set for like 80 bucks, I think. And it's still available, I believe, on my website. But let's get into Wally. It's an element warmer, so it's not going to glow. But what does this say? Celebrating the earth, one cube at a time. Oh my God, it's because of the trash cubes. If you guys have seen WALL-E, which we've seen WALL-E many times, let me move this girl. We love WALL-E, we love Eve. I did not grab the Eve buddy. I don't know why, I just didn't grab her. I needed Hei-Hei. That's just, it is what it is. But if you guys know, it's amazing. It's an amazing little movie. So, here we go. We have the dish with the boot, with the life, that Earth had life on it, because that's why everybody was in space in the movie. But it has trash. What is that? It's like spoons. Oh my God, there's like a duck girl. There's like all kinds of stuff. It's really, really detailed on there. And look at like a walkie-talkie. Oh my God. It has, I didn't even notice this at SFR. This is the Pixar lamp. Little, what do they call them? Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Oh my God, girls, are there any hidden Mickeys in here? I don't even know. Anyway, this takes up to 4 cubes, girl. It's a ceramic glazed dish. So it's gonna get, I think it's gonna be a good performer. I should tell you what wattage it is. I'll have to look under the box. Ooh, girl. Oh, I have to put it together. Ooh, girl. Oh my God. I don't like putting stuff together. Obviously I break things, but WALL-E's head, you have to put it together. So, how cute is his little eyes, you guys? And his little neck. So we'll have to put him together. Oh Lord, don't let me break this one. Oh girl, let me tell you what the wattage is. Hold on. They always put the wattage at the end of your box.
3 hours later.
Oh, okay. Found the wattage like 3 hours later. Okay, so it's a 12 volts of wattage, 60 hertz, 8 watt. So it's an 8 watt warmer. People get a little iffy about like the low wattage warmers. I personally don't, because where this is going in my living room, I have 7 warmers already. Now, I don't need to hear it. I'm fine with 7 warmers in my living room. I'm fine with it. It works for me. It is what it is. I get plenty of scent with freaking 8 warmers now, okay? So for me, it doesn't matter. But if you're trying to maybe scent a larger room, you will probably need 2 warmers. It just is what it is. So you can figure it out for yourself. For me, I know it probably will perform fine. So there's a little hole right here, and this is where his little neck head.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Girl, oh my God. Already. Oh my God, I can't keep anything. Oh, his eyes are like a sticker. They're like a sticker. So at least they're not freaking ceramics. This is kind of like plastic, resin, Lord knows what. And his head, there you go, goes in there. Okay, oh my God, look how cute he is, his little hands. Okay, very, very detailed. Disney and Scentsy skip. Oh my God, it's his friend, the roach. Okay, they just need to stop. I can't break this warmer. It's a heavy little warmer, by the way. And here's your heating plate, and this is your indicator when this light's on. That means your warmer's on. When it's off like this, your warmer's off, girl. It is what it is. They have his little roach friend. You guys, oh my God, I think I love this warmer. So I'm not gonna plug it in, just because you're just gonna see one little light come on. And we all know what the lights look like. So the dish goes in the bag because it's trash. Oh my God, I can't get over it. I just cannot get over it. Super cute. Can't break the warmer already. Cannot do it, Eileen. So beautiful. This is going where my Dumbo warmer was, because Dumbo is going to be put in the box for a while because I can't live without it. So I obviously break stuff. So he's going to come out, and hopefully I don't break WALL-E, but he is amazing, you guys. And you guys, that's my little girl. Let me pick up my stuff. So that's what I got. Well, I've had him. There's no way. So Hei-Hei, your WALL-E. This is a great bar. If you guys don't want to do like, I don't know, like a 3-pack or a 6-pack, put it in your club. Try it out. It was amazing. Very dewy green, very green apple, very beautiful and very strong in the scent booth. I don't know how it's gonna do here in my house, but this is it, you guys. I hope you guys picked up Wally, and as always, get down. And as always, Scentsy Fam, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you picked it up. Let me know if you guys already have it and you've already started warming. Of course, let me know down below. I love talking Scentsy's with you guys. And if you guys find this video helpful, of course, always give it a thumbs up. And if you feel it's helpful for other people, always hit the share button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And as always, Scentsy Fam, if you've done all your liking and clicking and you still want to hang around after all that, there's always a video here. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.